Hey, this video will show you how you can annotate molecules PP1. Let's start. Questions 1 and 2 refer to the diagram to the right that shows the various steps involved with the digestion of starch. So let's pay attention because we do have a stimulus associated with this question. So we need to pay attention to what's happening here in this diagram. I do see some vocabulary, so let's identify what is starch using some of your vocabulary terms, and use terms that are specific to this question. Also indicate what could possibly be represented by letter C. Now in the question, I see the word products, and products just means something at the end. Now the next question, number 2, the word monomer, you'll need to indicate what is a monomer using the keyword strategy. Question number 3 and 4 refer to the diagram to the right that represents a biological reaction that occurs in most multicellular organisms. Again, this is another stimulus question, so we need to pay attention to what's going on. What is happening in this diagram? Well, I see A and B. A is broken down into B. You need to identify what is A, or what could A represent, and what could B represent. Once you have this information, use the cross-out strategy to eliminate wrong answers. And I don't mean crossing out letter A, letter B, letter C, or letter D. I mean crossing out the part of the answer that makes it incorrect. Question 4. Which of the following options could represent the molecules involved? Well, again, you should be using the cross-out strategy based on the information that you provided in your diagram. Questions 5 and 6 refer to the diagram below, which represents chemical substances in biology. Again, I see a stimulus-related question because we have to look at these diagrams. So you need to figure out and ask yourself, what do you notice here? Try to make sense using some of the vocabulary terms that we identified and try to indicate what these could represent. Now question 5, which of the following represents a monomer? Remember, what is a monomer? Indicate that using the keyword strategy. And question 6, by the process of elimination, there's only one that can represent an atom. Question 7, which of the following statements regarding amino acids and simple sugars is accurate? I see here amino acids and simple sugars. You'll need to make note of what these could represent based on the keyword strategy. Once you have done that, using the cross-out strategy, eliminate some wrong answers by indicating what makes them incorrect. Question number 8, which of the following represents an organic molecule? Well, organic, what does organic mean? Look in your notes. And just to give you a little bit of information, the color coding. Red represents oxygen, white represents hydrogen, and black represents carbon. That is something that we did not provide for you in your notes. Question number 9. Which of the following statements best describes starches, proteins, DNA, and fats? Here's some vocabulary. You definitely want to make note of this using the keyword strategy. Once you've done that, using the cross-out strategy, eliminate some wrong answers by crossing out what makes those answers incorrect. Finally, number 10. The diagram below represents a protein molecule found in some insect species. I've already highlighted protein molecule. Molecules like this are made from a specific sequence of which of the following? So, you can indicate what is a protein molecule. Indicate what you know about a protein. And once you have that, read through the answer choices and use the cross-out strategy to eliminate wrong answers. Thank you.